Hi, I'm Natalia from Toner Express Office Tech, and today I'll show you how to copy, scan, and fax documents on your Canon IR Advanced Copier. To copy documents using the top feeder, just place your document in this top tray face up and adjust the sliders to fit the paper. Another way to copy documents is by using the plating glass, which is the big glass panel right here. Simply place your document face down and orient it so that the entire document is on the glass. To copy a document, select the copy function from the main menu. Here you can change any of the settings you would like. As this is a color printer, you can select here if you would like your copies to be colored in black and white, or in this case automatic, which has both. Click OK to save any changes you would like. You can also change the finishing here. So if you want your copies to be collated or grouped, this is where you can change that. If you want to change it from double-sided to single-sided or single-sided to double-sided, whichever you would like, you can do that here in the two-sided. So select which one you would like and then OK. You can also select where your paper is coming from by selecting Select Paper. So which tray you want to use. Right now, as you can see, it's automatic, so it will automatically detect which tray has paper and use that tray. Once you're happy with your document either in the top feeder or plating glass, press the Start button to begin copying. To scan and send documents, you can use either the top feeder here or the plating glass here. Just ensure that when you're using the top feeder, that your documents do not have any staples, paper clips, or any crumpled edges to it. To scan and send a document, select the option Scan and Send from the main menu. To select where to send the document to, normally you would use New Destination, or if you are sending it to a frequent location, you can use Address Book. By selecting a new destination, you can select either by email, fax, file, whichever you would prefer. For simplicity purposes, I will show email and fax. By selecting email, you'll have to use the keyboard that pops up on screen to input their email address and select OK when you're done. If you select fax, then you'll have to use the keypad on the side to input the fax number. And if you would like to do this, select OK when you're done. Once you've inputted either the email or the fax, you can select Start to start scanning. To fax a document, select Fax on the main menu. You can either use the top feeder or the plating glass when faxing documents. And to fax the documents, you'll need to use the numbers on the keypad to insert the fax number, and then the Start button to start faxing.